The 1969 Camaro is arguably one of the coolest, most popular muscle cars from the 1960s. It had performance, style, and image. But if there was one thing it lacked, it was utility. That is, until now. Enter the El Camaro. For more on this wild creation, I'm here with Jim, the owner. Jim, I am curious, how did this project come about?
I was in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and I seen the car at the rod run down there. It was just a rough idea. I purchased the car, brought it back to Ohio, completely grenaded it, modified the whole front and back of the car, painted it garnet red 69 Camaro color, and then it came back to me and I did the final assembly with the interior and everything else in the car.
Has a project like this ever been undertaken before?
Chip Foose did 67, and the tailgate didn't open and close. This one opens and closes. Come here, check this out. We incorporated a complete retro rear fit for the 69 Camaro onto this car. We used the 69 Camaro bumper, shortened it so it could fit inside the cavity right here. So when we open the tailgate up, the bumper goes inside the cavity.
Really slick. How did you go about incorporating those iconic 69 Camaro looks onto the 78 El Camino?
Well, we grafted a bunch of 69 factory brand new parts onto it. No real 69 Camaro was hurt in the building of this. And then the whole interior, it had a bench seat, automatic on the column. We took that all out, took the gauges all out, the radio, put 69 Camaro seats in it, a 69 console and gauges, and everything was custom put back inside of it.
When it comes to powertrain, you definitely didn't keep it 69 Camaro. You brought up to the more modern age. What is it and what work has been done to it?
It's a LSA supercharged engine with about 580 horse, 17-inch rims, SS rims with the red line tires. We wanted to give it that Camaro look still, the 69 Camaro look. The paint is garnet red 69, the hockey stripe 69. We just wanted it to look like something General Motors made.
When did the project get completed? And now that it's done, is it pretty close to your vision?
Yeah, it was pretty much my brainchild. Exactly. When I first seen it in Pigeon Forge, I knew what I wanted to do to it, and now it's exactly where I want it. It took us about 2 years from start to finish because you had to wait on parts, sometimes 6 months, but the car's done, and I'm very pleased with the outcome.
Thanks, Jim. It's a truly incredible build.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. My pleasure.
Half car, half truck, and all Camaro spirit. The El Camaro is one hot hauler.